Are you gonna do the countdown?
No, I'm already recording.
Okay. Hi, folks. Welcome to the Kickass Kitchen. You might be thinking that I got two whopping cojones in my pants right now, but in fact, we're making avocado toast, baby. Yeah. First, we need some bread. Then we need some avocados. First, you need some bread. The rest of what you need is just an avocado. No clue we're about to rock his mouth with some avocado toast that's gonna knock his socks off. Alright. If you gotta break a couple eggs to make an omelet, then you need to toast a couple toasts to make some toast.
Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick-ass boy! Damn!
While you're toasting that bread, you can just go ahead and start cutting up your avocado. All you need is an avocado and an avocado knife.
So stinky, so dirty.
Hey Rod,
Oh,
I'm making a video on how to make avocado toast.
wait, but I actually need to make my avocado toast like right now.
An avocado knife is a critical tool that you're gonna need to use if you want to cut avocados. An avocado knife. Scoop it out with the backside of that avocado knife. God, I wouldn't know what to do without this thing. Oh, yeah. Then you just lay it on out. Oh, God, it's so sloppy. Make sure all that goop is out. Like so. Like that. God, look at that. Alright, Rob. This avocado knife is ready for your use.
Look at them yo-yos. That's the way you do it.
Alright. Let me get this avocado off my hands. Alright, you ready? Next, you're going to need a pinch of salt. I already put some salt in my hand. Pinch it on up and just let it cascade on the wondrous cliffs of your avocado toast, cut so perfectly with the oh so aptly named avocado knife. Get that salt on there. And that's not all. If you're feeling a little spicy this morning, don't spare the expense on some Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning. Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning.
So spicy.
So spice. And just let it. Oh, yeah. Just sprinkle it. Yep. Just like that. Oh, sounds like the next piece of toast is ready too. Oh, yeah. Just get that in there. And spent. Finished product. Your masterpiece can happen on your plate today.